I'm playing this role as the chairman of the main organizing committee of the National Sports Festival. After a rigorous exercise last year, 2020, where 6 states expressed interest to host the next National Sports Festival, the big hearts, Delta States, came tops in the bid. The next National Sports Festival will be held in the year 2022 in Delta State. So, accordingly, this is to hereby hand over the flag of unity, signifying this shows the unity of the Federation, all the states of the Federation, and the unifying import of sports. So, I hereby hand over the flag, signifying unity.
Every day by day, I just penetrate. Everything I do, we just penetrate.
All right, we'll take an acceptance speech from Delta State.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Edo State and his lovely wife, the Minister for Sports, please permit me to stand on the already established protocol. On behalf of His Excellency, our Governor, your friend, the Kweme Buruburu of the world, we accept the hosting rights, and by His grace, we will welcome you in 2022 to the big heart triggered by God. God bless you all and see you in 2022.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Minister of the Federal Republic, Chief Sunday Dare, will deliver his speech, and of course is here represented by Mr. Nebolisa Anako, the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry.
The Governor of Edo State, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, and the Chairman, Local Organizing Committee for the National Sports Festival in Edo State, Benin, Edo State, His Excellency Right Honorable Comrade Philip Chaibu, the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, the Chief Judge of Edo State, the Secretary to the Edo State Government, distinguished and honorable members of the legislature, the honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, hereby represented by the Permanent Secretary, FCT, Adeshola Olushade, Commissioners of Sports from the different states of the Federation, our gallant athletes from all over the country, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This speech is by the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports Development, Chief Sunday Dare. He regrets his absence at this closing ceremony. He was at the airport in Abuja to board the flight, but there was a storm this evening in Abuja. So the flight was aborted due to bad weather. And he sends his regrets and has asked me to read this speech. The Honorable Minister's speech. Today is indeed a great day in the annals of sports development in our country. I feel highly proud to be part of history as we draw the curtains on yet another successful organization of the Nigerian Olympics, the National Sports Festival, the 20th edition in the series. After 2 weeks of excitement, record-breaking performances, bond of friendship and spirit of sportsmanship, the curtain is finally falling on the 20th edition of the National Sports Festival, tagged Edo 2020. For the past 12 days, youth, representing all the 36 states of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory, have been united by sports, friendship, and comradeship. The power of sports as a unifying factor in the country was fully activated in these youths who set aside ethnic and religious differences to compete fairly in celebration of the diversity and unity of our nation. This event would not have been possible without the resilience and support of the federal government, the Edo State government, and all critical stakeholders. I wish to register my profound appreciation to the federal government under the able leadership of Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari and the Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo for their support. I also want to thank the governor of the whole state, Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, for being a wonderful host and for making Edo ready for athletes in spite of all odds. Of course, special thanks must go to the chairman of the local organizing committee, headed by the able and capable deputy governor of the state, Comrade Philip Shaibu. All members of the main organizing committee and the local organizing committee, officials, journalists, and above all, the participating states and athletes who have made Edo 2020 Festival an event to remember deserves praise and appreciation. With the Edo Sports Festival experience and the attendant success, Nigeria has proven yet again the resilience of its people and the ability to overcome odds. COVID-19 tried to stop us, but we have demonstrated that we are unstoppable. The National Sports Festival has over the years served as a platform for our youth to showcase their God-given talents in the area of sports. I'm sure there are several athletes that have been discovered at the various events who one day win laurels for this country at the international arena. The performance of the swimmer Ifiazebe Asaba, who won 8 gold, 2 silver, and 5 bronze medals, to 10-year-old gymnastic Stephanie Onusirioka, who won a gold medal, a silver medal, and bronze medal, to Chidi Okezie's impressive performance in the 400 meters. We can't forget Adegoke Enoch and Grace Mokocha's remarkable victory in the 100 meters. The wrestlers also showing another attainment not only re-echoes nostalgic feeling of the past, but keeps hope alive for a better future for our sports. I congratulate Delta State for emerging the overall winner of the Games of the 20th National Sports Festival. I must be quick to add that as sportsmen and women, we have been trained to accept defeat at a sports event as a challenge to do better next time. Therefore, we are all winners.